the most significant shift comes under the hood. Replacing the Tundra's traditional gasoline engine is a rumored hybrid powertrain. This could combine a powerful electric motor with a fuel-efficient gasoline engine, offering the best of both worlds, muscle for towing and hauling, and electric-powered efficiency for daily commutes. Imagine navigating city streets silently, then unleashing instant torque for off-road adventures. The possibilities are electrifying. Details about the specific hybrid system are scarce, but rumors suggest it will be a force to be reckoned with. Think increased horsepower and torque, translating to even better towing and hauling capabilities. This, coupled with the potential for improved fuel economy, could make the 2025 Tundra Hybrid a true powerhouse, both on the road and at the pump. The rumors extend beyond the engine. The 2025 Tundra Hybrid might boast a redesigned exterior, blending ruggedness with modern touches. Think sharper lines, a bolder grille, and features that scream future truck. Inside, whispers suggest a tech-laden cabin featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system, advanced driver assistance features, and creature comforts designed to make any journey comfortable. The 2025 Toyota Tundra Hybrid, if these rumors hold true, could be a game-changer. It promises power, efficiency, technology, and style, all wrapped in a rugged, capable package. Whether it truly redefines the full-size truck segment remains to be seen, but one thing's for sure, it's a rumor worth keeping an eye on. But remember, these are just rumors. Until Toyota officially unveils the 2025 Tundra Hybrid, take everything with a grain of salt. However, if even half of these whispers turn out to be true, we might be witnessing the dawn of a new era in full-size trucks. Stay tuned, truck lovers, the future is just around the corner, and it might be electric.